If you're delivering with Uber Eats and want to access your money quickly, here's exactly how to cash out your earnings using the Uber Driver app. Start by opening the Uber Driver app on your phone. From the home screen, swipe left to bring up the menu. Tap on earnings. This will take you to your weekly summary. Here, you'll see how much you have made, including tips, base fare, and any bonuses. Now, tap on the cash out button. Uber gives you a few options here. If you have linked a bank account, you can choose to transfer your earnings directly. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank. Or you can use Instant Pay, which lets you get your money in just a few minutes. But there's usually a $1.25 fee per cash out. If you're using the Uber Pro card, your earnings can be sent automatically after every delivery, and that's totally free. Now, once you have chosen your payout method, just tap confirm and Uber will process the transfer right away. A few quick tips to make the process smoother. Make sure your bank or debit card is linked and verified in the wallet section of the app. You can cash out up to 5 times per day using Instant Pay. And if you are a new driver, you might need to complete around 25 deliveries before the Instant Pay option unlocks. Also, remember that customer tips might take a few hours to show up, so if you are expecting more earnings, it's worth waiting before you cash out. That's how you cash out on Uber Eats in 2025. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with other drivers, and follow more for Uber Eats tips that actually help you make more money.